Was meteorologist Andrew Gorton.
Some of us are lucky enough to have a few showers and even a couple thunderstorms push over us this afternoon, giving us a little bit of a cool down. Let's take a closer look at some of those showers and thunderstorms right now. The strongest one is east of Thomasville. It's actually tracking off to the northeast, just going to skim the northern part of Quitman there, going toward Barney and eventually toward Valdosta. Over here, we also have some just to the south of Cairo. That's going to track toward Thomasville, so you're going to get another batch of rain a little further to the north there. Doran going to get some rain here soon, just to the west of Moultrie. Camilla getting a nice shower right now, and even up to the north, Americus going to have a nice little shower as well to cool you guys off. And as we go into the evening hours, we're going to have to keep watching a few of these showers that are starting to weaken, but still south of us in Florida right now. Those will continue to track to the northeast as well. So the rain threat isn't going to be over for a few hours. And here's a time lapse looking off to the west out of Moultrie this afternoon. Look at all the convection out there bubbling up those clouds, and you can see the rain the bottom left right there. Beautiful, beautiful capture there in our Alpha Cam. Current temperatures, wow, what a contrast. 100 degrees in Cordele, down in Thomasville because of the rain and cloud cover, only 81. Elsewhere we are mostly in the low to mid 90s at 95 in Homerville, 91 in Nashville and Tifton. That's what it is over in Blakely and Bainbridge as well. And the wind speeds, well, they're a little higher than what we had yesterday, anywhere from about 5 miles an hour to 15 is the current wind speed right now in Albany coming out of the southwest. Those will die down as the sun sets. And here is the heat index. Feels like 104 in Valdosta, 105 in Homerville, and it feels like 101 in Cuthbert. So still very warm across most of South Georgia this evening. As we go into the overnight hours, those rain chances, they're going to go down right about when the sun sets. And that's good news because you guys, that's when we start shooting off those fireworks. So it looks like the wind will die down, the rain chances will decrease. Most of us will be dry by 9:30. So here's the future radar for this evening. You can see those scattered showers and thunderstorms. 740. There's still a few out there. We'll keep an eye on them. Check this out. By 10 o'clock, it clears out. That is great news. So if you're heading out tonight, for the next few hours at least, even though it's partly cloudy out there, you need the sunglasses and definitely the sunscreen because you can actually still get a sunburn when it's cloudy, believe it or not. So give yourself a little extra time because the roads will be wet and slick in some spots, and just the rain gear in case you get under one of those spotty showers. For our 4th of July morning, it's going to be a warm one, already at 78 by 8, 84 by 10, but it will feel like the low 90s, 20% chance of rain through the morning, through the noon hour as well in the afternoon. Bump that rain chance up to a 30% chance of rain, and those wind speeds go up just a little bit as well from 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. So we're going to have to keep an eye on the wind speeds because if it gets too windy, we're really not supposed to be shooting off those fireworks. This is what it looks like the radar for tomorrow. We start off with just a couple sprinkles in the area between 9 and 10:30. Then by noon, a few showers and thunderstorms start popping up. And then 3:40, much like today, those spotty showers and thunderstorms continue into the evening hours. But once again, by 8:30, it looks like we're going to be clearing out for the big firework displays. That is great news as we go into the evening. So for tonight, if you're shooting off those fireworks, it'll be about 85 by 9. Partly cloudy skies, 96 for Monday. But check out the end of the week. Very warm, triple digits by next weekend in the low 100s, right?